Sick of watching everyone making money in the stock market while you're stuck on the sidelines? Well, in this video, I'm going to share 3 simple yet powerful steps to get you started with stock options trading, even if you feel lost and overwhelmed right now. We'll cut through the noise and show you how you can learn fast and get paid faster trading stock options, even if you're completely new to trading. These are the same steps that helped me on my own trading journey, my clients, and I know they can help you too. I create content that saves beginners a lot of grief and pain. I'm here to help you avoid the costly trading mistakes I made. Let's learn to trade smarter, not harder. And that brings us to step 1. Focus on skill development. Stop just learning about trading. Focus on developing trading skills. So, watching content where investors or traders share their experiences can be inspiring and entertaining. They will not, however, help you put money in your pocket. Instead, focus on developing the skill sets that will. For instance, dedicate 30 minutes daily to practicing charting, also known as technical analysis, and learning the fundamentals of company analysis. This involves reading and analyzing market news, financial statements, and industry trends. Start small with a list of 3 to 5 stocks to identify potential trading opportunities. You can add more stocks once you have analyzed this first set. Eventually, you'll learn how to execute your orders efficiently and effectively. This builds a strong foundation for making smart trading calls. You're consistently developing the skills needed to succeed. Plus, you'll learn faster by dedicating consistent time to practice. And most importantly, you'll never become dependent on someone else's trading signals because you'll be developing your own understanding of the market and making your own informed decisions. Let's move along to step 2, seeking feedback. I know this can feel a little intimidating, especially when you're first starting out. You might be worried about sharing your analysis and getting feedback. Trust me, I've been there too. But it's super important for your progress. Think of it like learning a new language. You wouldn't just sit in your room with a book and try to figure it all out on your own, right? You find a language partner, a tutor to help you. Well, trading is no different. Find a mentor, join a trading community of supportive and experienced traders, or even share your trades with a friend who's more experienced. Trading can be isolating. Feedback from experienced traders help identify biases, refine strategies, and prevent costly mistakes. By learning from others' experiences and receiving constructive criticism, beginners can accelerate their learning curve, the time it takes to make money, and avoid costly mistakes that beginners often make. And finally, step 3, create a simple trading plan. Before you even think about placing a trade, let's create a simple trading plan. Ask yourself these questions. What are your goals? Do you want to learn the basics, make small profits, or something else? How much risk are you comfortable with? Remember that trading involves inherent risk. You can make great money trading, but losses are inevitable. Set realistic expectations and only risk an amount of money that you are comfortable losing. Choose a few simple strategies to focus on, and most importantly, set some rules to protect yourself. This is called risk management, where you set stop loss orders. And these are like automatic safety nets that sell your trade if it starts losing too much money. And then there's position sizing, which means only risking a small percentage of your trading capital on each trade. It's like not betting your entire paycheck on one hand of poker. This plan will keep you organized, help you make better decisions, and prevent you from making costly mistakes. You'll be less likely to panic or make impulsive trades based on emotions. By following your plan, you'll learn to control your emotions and make more consistent trades. This builds discipline and helps you learn faster, allowing you to refine your strategies and improve your overall trading performance. Now that we've covered the 3 steps to learn stock options trading fast, in my next video, I'll show you how to do quick fundamental analysis on stocks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Until next time, be well.